Hey, good morning. This is HS Raghav from Samadhan Academy, Bangalore. Today we will talk on a very important aspect of our schooling. The students who sit on the back benches are generally considered to be slow, to be rebel, to be undisciplined, to be less educated or less willing to learn, understand, and grow. Let us try to understand this. Let us try to look at this from another perspective. Why, how? What can be the solution? Now, if you look at the qualities or so said negatives of such students, we can see that there are following features in these kind of students. That is, one, they are fearless. डरते नहीं है किसी से, कुछ भी हो, पढ़ना है नहीं हमको, हम पीछे बैठेंगे. देयर इज नो फियर. दे कैन टेक रिस्क. दे कैन टेक रिस्क मतलब रिजल्ट आया, किसी का 90% होने से फादर और बच्चे में लड़ाई हो जाती है. लुक, यू हैव गॉट ओनली 90%, आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग 95%, 98% एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. ये लोगों को 35% आने से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, 45% आने से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, 32% आने से भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, फेल भी हो जाएंगे तभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ये लोग ग्रेड्स पे डिपेंड नहीं करते. दे डोंट हैव एनी डिपेंडेंसी ऑन ग्रेड. इफ दे पास, perfectly fine. If they pass with 35-40% marks, very good, absolutely no problem. Then if you look at them, they will be very creative, innovative thinkers. Actually, if you ask them to do anything on this earth other than learning of the books, from the books, they can do anything for you. They can do literally anything for you. Their thinking power is so high that they can think of anything which is very creative, very productive. The other thing which you see among them is they don't seem to follow any rules, regulations, discipline and things like that. If the class starts at 10 o'clock, aram se 10:05 they will come. There is no rule, no regulation, no discipline, no scare of the teacher would scold and things like that. They also are seen that they have survival instincts. Survival instincts means the other students who are on front benches or who are so-called fast learners or intelligent learners, 1% इधर उधर जाने से उनको बड़ी परेशानी हो जाती है. लेकिन ये वो स्टूडेंट है जिनको कोई परेशानी नहीं है. दे आर एब्सोल्युटली नॉट वरीड. they know that nothing would happen, we will survive. There are no issues in life if we don't get good marks. They would be very tough. The other feature of them, they would be very tough. Now, this can be seen various ways. It can be so that the student, which is, let us say, in 9th class, 14 and a half, 15 years old, on the front benches, these guys are supposed to be 1 or 2 years elder to them because they have been passing classes like that. 2 years in one class. तो आराम से पढ़ पढ़ के जाते हैं, तो उनका एज थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाता है फ्रंट बेंचर से. इसीलिए वो लोग थोड़ा टफ भी होते हैं. फाइटिंग करने में उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है. उनका अपना एक विजन होता है, वही सोचना है, वही देखना है, वही करना है. लुक एट देम इन स्पोर्ट्स, they would be very good. Again, it might be related with their age because they are 1 or 2 years elder to the other students who sit in the front benches. These are few such things which are very important, which are seen by anybody. If a teacher is little vigilant that yes, what is the difference between my front benchers or second benchers and the last benchers, these would be some of the qualities. But what we don't see, which is very important, is their EQ is little higher than front benchers. Their emotional quotient would be little higher than the front bencher, they can negotiate anything. They can negotiate anything. They can lead anything. They can take risk in anything. You ask them, and नहीं मास्टर जी ऐसे actually क्या हुआ है मास्टर जी, this happened, that happened, and things like that. They can go this way, that way, and things like that. Negotiating powers would be very, very high in these students. And only thing, if we can classify these students vis-a-vis front benchers and first, second rows, is these guys don't seem to be engaged in what is happening. They are engaged in something which is not happening in class. They are engaged, but they are not engaged in what is happening in class. They are engaged in what is not happening in the class, because this is not their cup of tea. Their cup of tea is something else out of the classroom. If you look at this properly, we would be easily able to find out that this student's life, interest, choice lies in this area. And if you train them in that area, their life, it starts running. Absolutely little attention by the teachers or the parents can change their life upside down. Now, if you look at from the other perspective, that most of the guys who have succeeded really well in your life had been backbenchers. They have never been front benchers. All those, you take the names from Sachin Tendulkar, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Disney World, or there are so many other guys, Leander Paes, there are so many other guys who have succeeded in their life very nicely, but they were not very good in their studies. They were not very good in academics. They never tried, planned, liked sitting on the front benches. If you take the story of Leander Paes, his teachers used to say, "Oh no, this is not done, Baba. You are not going to go anywhere. Your life is just like that. You would be staying in this class for a couple of years, and then that's all is your life." Look at him, how he has succeeded in his game, in his sports. So the moral of the story is, let us not try to tag these backbenchers that these guys are stupid, these guys are useless, nothing would happen in their life. Those who feel that they are not academically good, if they are listening to this video, please understand your life lies somewhere else. Your life doesn't lie in the books which are being taught literally word by word in your class. Thank you so much listening for me. Please like and subscribe this video of mine. Wishing you all the best. Thank you so much.